Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, everybody. It's me, Tesla here. Oh.
I've been on the YouTube all the live long day. Hey, what did I happen to see but another Meet Kevin video? What can I say? Kevin is a clown. Don't listen to him. If you take his advice, you will surely be down at the truck stop selling your butt in retirement. Woo! Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. I just choked my own spit and almost died. My name is Christopher Bell. I'm a certified public accountant, long-term boglehead investor, author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser, and hater of Meet Kevin, who's a freaking clown. Now, what did Meet Kevin just go ahead and do? Our hero. He's such a genius. Oh my god, he's so cute. He wears a suit. He's gonna be the governor of California. He's so amazing. Oh my god. He's got a $20 million portfolio because he takes his YouTube ad revenue and invests it. Wow. Genius. Anyway, old Meat Spin Kevin, our hero, see that little face? See his face in this disgusting stream or whatever he did right here? He just invested $600,000 into HIPPO stock. What is HIPPO, you may ask? It's basically an upstart insurance company. And you know what I believe? I believe it's freaking trash. I believe me, Kevin, is a speculating moron. Now I'm going to show you why. First from a personal perspective, and then from a fundamental perspective, why HIPPO is garbage, okay? I watched a couple interviews with the HIPPO CEO. I don't know what his name is. I don't care. I'm not buying the stock. But he's like, oh, we're modernizing insurance. Insurance? Really? Like home insurance? What is there to freaking modernize, okay? You go on, you enter your home's details, you get a freaking policy, and you're done. You never think about it again, okay? There's nothing special or exciting about freaking homeowners insurance. Anyway, so I went ahead and sampled HIPPO. I wanted to see what amazing rates they had. This new upstart insurance company that's going to take down Geico and all the other huge insurers because they're just so amazing. They're the future, bro. And they have a cute little hippo icon. HIPPO, get the right protection for your home. Return to your quote. And we'll go look at my quote in a second. With home insurance from HIPPO, you can get greater savings, false, and greater protection all at the same time. That's a lie. That's false advertising. Hippy lippy. Hey, Christopher. It's modern insurance. It's all you gotta do is put modern or new or exciting or disruption. I'm surprised they don't have disruptive insurance on here. Because if you say disruptive, that means it's the future. Modern insurance from HIPPO sets a higher standard of care. How about I want low premiums and protection for your home and the things you treasure most. You know what I treasure? Myself. That's it. My handsome face. Jill B. Probably a fake person. HIPPO's affordable smart home insurance, and the home security kit they said is hugely valuable. Yeah, and you probably have to freaking pay for it with higher premiums. I love that HIPPO has disrupted the home insurance market. I literally did not know that was there. I swear. Disruption, and it's the future. Our modern home insurance means 4 times higher coverage limits than traditional policies, a complimentary smart home system, access to HIPPO Home Care's virtual support when you have questions about caring for your home. Or I'll just go to YouTube or Google it. Plus, HIPPO uses technology to make sure your home stays protected year after year. Your home changes, make sure your insurance changes with it. Jesus Christ. All right, let's go look at the policy. So, I did a quote. And these are the 3 options I got. The essentials, our best value, and our expanded protection. This is a monthly quote. $150 a month for the lowest protection. A high of $187. I pay like $30-something a month, and I'm protected with Geico, okay? This is insanely expensive. That's why HIPPO is able to give you the stupid smart home system and 4 times higher coverage limits. Because look at these premiums. That's freaking insane how high those are. Now, you don't have to trust my word. Go if you're really curious about HIPPO, go get a quote. You can like type it in really quickly. It doesn't take that long to get a quote, which really makes me wonder about their due diligence. Or go get a quote and compare it to what you're paying now. And I'm not going to guarantee you, but most likely the freaking quote is going to be insanely high. This is 5 times as expensive as my current home insurance. Really? That's ridiculous, okay? But it could just be region specific. I don't know. So, of course, because it says disruptive, this is probably what, me, Kevin probably read this quote.
Disrupted the home insurance market.
That's why this freaking clown put $600,000 into the stock. We're going to look at the financials in a second, but I want you to remember something. I'm going to say this over and over again. Me, Kevin, makes a freaking fortune from YouTube ad revenue. He can afford to make wild speculative investments in stocks like HIPPO that are bleeding money. Because even if that stock goes to zero, he's going to be fine. But if you, the average person, and you haven't maxed your tax advantage accounts, your IRA perhaps, your 401k, if you're just listening to what he has to say, because he has 1.7 million subscribers, that means he knows so much. If you're listening to him and you're throwing your money into all the stocks he's pumping, massively unprofitable, highly speculative stocks, you can't afford to lose your money because every dollar that you're able to save needs to not go away and vanish because you only have a certain amount of time to save and a certain amount of money to save before you hit retirement. And after that, if you haven't saved enough, you're screwed, okay? He can afford to do this stupid crap, drawing his stupid little colors, Lemonade and HIPPO, disruptive insurance companies. He can do his little stupid analysis. But come on, let's go look at this stock, and I'm going to show you why it's freaking garbage. Now, here's HIPPO Holdings Incorporated. HIPPO, H-I-P-O. I like how it's got IPO in it. But this was a SPAC. Okay, there's so many SPACs out there. Special Purpose Acquisition Companies, which is basically just shortcutting companies, making them public without the actual traditional model. So, it is up at 10% in the after hours, and I think that's because Meet Kevin shilled it on his channel. I could be wrong, but that's why it's up. So you're going to see a pop in the stock probably when trading opens on Tuesday. But that's because of Meet Kevin. Not because he's a freaking genius, but because he put $600,000 into it, and he pumped it for his freaking stupid fans, all right? And, sorry, I don't mean to call you stupid, but you can't listen to him, okay? Here's why I think this stock is freaking gambling trash. So, the only thing Meet Kevin cares about, Meet, M-E-A-T, Meet Spin, the only thing he cares about is revenue growth because he doesn't understand financial statements. He's not an accountant. He's a freaking real estate clown. All he sees is, wow, the revenue went up. And that's all that matters to him. However, you have to consider other things. What is your gross margin? What is your operating margin? What is your profit margin, your bottom line profit margin? What is your earnings per share? What does your statement of cash flows look like? This company is bleeding freaking money like nothing I've ever seen. So in 2019, the gross margin was pretty freaking high. So just from cost of sales, they made $27 million off of $34 million of sales. The next year, ending in 2020, they made $7 million on the top of the income statement from $51 million of sales. That is a massive decrease in gross margin. Why? I don't know. I'm not buying this stupid stock. But yeah, cost of revenue, $44 million compared to $7 million the previous year. Massive increase. Operating income. This is your profit or loss before income and taxes. For this company, they lost $81 million in 2019. And the next year, they lost $117 million. All because, and the only reason people are buying this is because disruption, future, whatever. That's why me, Kevin, is buying it. Look at the numbers. Bleeding freaking money, okay? You can't afford to speculate in the stock. Net income, negative $83 million in 2019. Negative $141 million in 2020. This is freaking garbage. And you know what that means? That means they're going to start issuing shares because they're losing money, which is going to dilute the current shareholders. You also want to look at cash flow. Operating cash flow. They had a net outflow, which means they lost money on a cash basis. They burned $29 million in 2019. And then they burned $65 million in 2020.
Me, Kevin. Just buy it. Doesn't matter. It's future disruption.
The guy's a freaking moron, okay? Free cash flow, negative $35 million. So basically, you're not going to get, of course, you're not going to get a dividend or share buybacks. Negative $35 million in 2019, negative $74 million in 2020. This is unprofitable, speculative trash, and you cannot afford to buy this. This clown right here is disgustingly irresponsible, pumping this stock. And he's basically pumping it up and probably making a decent amount of money off his followers by hyping the stock because he buys in, then he hypes it. Well, that's Jeremy Lefebvre. He hypes it, and then he profits. And if he loses all his money, he doesn't give a crap because all his bozo fans are just watching his channel, and he gets all that ad revenue. And I know he makes a lot of ad revenue because I'm a small channel, and I even get like a surprising amount of ad revenue for having 1,040 subscribers, okay? He's making freaking bank. And he is screwing you, his fans, and he doesn't care. He's laughing at you when he goes home. When he's sleeping at night, he's dreaming. Oh, my fans. Oh, I love screwing my fans so much. Come on, guys and gals. Ignore this idiot. Don't buy this stupid stock. Stay with index funds. And if you want to speculate with 5% of your portfolio, then you can do so. But don't play around with this freaking garbage that this clown is pumping. Meet Kevin. Irresponsible loser. That's it. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me, and you'll have a wonderful night. Choose. Are you a broke loser? Do you want to stop being a broke loser? Well, buy my book on Amazon. It's $2.99 for an ebook, or $9.99 for a hardback. It's called Stop Being a Broke Loser. If you buy this book, you will no longer be a broke loser. So buy it now.